Hello there, guys. Welcome to Just Sophia. So, guys, we are back again with another video on blogging. Just like I promised from the last video, we are going to do keyword research today. So now, I know there are so many ways, guys, and there are also so many tools that you can use out there to achieve your keyword research. But now I'm going to show you my way. I'm going to share what I use, and I hope you can learn something about it. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you so much for clicking, by the way. If you are new here, my name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, and just anything to develop yourself holistically. So if that is the kind of content you're looking for, please just remember to give me that subscription. Click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So now, guys, like I mentioned in the previous video, one of the most important things when you're starting a blog is keyword research. This is because this is what will determine if people are going to find you, by the way. Yeah. So now you don't want to go for a keyword that is so high, or the one that has been blogged for so many times that big giants are already ranking for it. Yeah. So for example, if you are competing with if you're starting out and you want to compete with New York Times, it is just not possible. So now you need to find a keyword that, yes, people are searching for it, but also it is low competition. It has not been blogged to death. So now one of the things that I do to find my keywords, of course, so at this point, we have already started our blog. We have identified a niche. We have built our website, and now we want to start writing. So now, for example, I'm going to use an example of a pregnancy niche, parenting or pregnancy. Now, pregnancy as a category of parenting in this video. So now, if I have decided that I'm going to I want to do my keyword research in parenting, I'm going to go and look for questions that my readers are asking about pregnancy. And where do I get these questions? Basically, I usually go to forums like Quora, Reddit, and the likes. So that is where my target audience is hanging out. So I need to go there and find out what their problems are, what products they are looking to buy, what questions they want solved, what are their pain points, so that I can come and solve them on my blog. Another way of finding keywords is by checking out competitor websites. Yes, this is the game online here. So now you go and check your competition, see what they are ranking for, and please, guys, don't take New York Times or any other established website as your competition. Look for those ones that are also just starting, maybe a little bit higher than you, but now they are also basically new. Yeah. So now, after identifying your competition, you can see what they are ranking for. Look where they have made some mistakes. For example, have they exhausted the topic fully? Have they used any good pictures? Have they written quality content? Have they done linking correctly? Like anything that you can improve on. Then come back to your website, write it better, and then outshine them. Yeah, that is how it works. So as long as Google will love your content, it will promote it more than your competition. So that is what happens. So when it comes to keyword research, the tool that I use, I actually just use one. It's AHR, sorry, AHRE. Oh God, let me just confirm. So the one tool that I use when it comes to keyword research is AHREFS. AHREFS, yeah. So many initials. So now that is the tool that I use basically. And then now, after I have come up with my keywords, I will go to Google and then look through keywords everywhere to get related keywords. So I'm going to show you that procedure, the whole of that procedure, so that you can maybe implement it, or or if you're looking for a way to check your keywords, you can use it. So let's go to the laptop. So when you go to ahrefs.com, oh, that name is so long, guys. So when you go there, I'm checking the pricing, and this is what I get. $99 for light, essential for data for small businesses and hobby projects. Maybe this is the one that you can choose when you are just one blog, when you're just a small business person, like you're just starting out. And then standard, maybe if you have more websites or something. But now, guys, this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money for someone who has not yet started earning with their blog. So now what I do, there is a platform that sells group SEO tools at a discounted price. It is called Supreme SEO. Please don't lag, don't lag. So instead of buying directly from the company itself, I come to Supreme SEO. So now here we have so many tools, by the way, that you can buy. We have Keyword Finder, we have Grammarly, Canva, Skillshare. You see, there are so many of them, but now we are interested in Ahrefs. Every time I mention that name, oh, it's gonna be hard. Okay, now, so we can see here that tool costs $19.99 per month, and the other side it was costing $99. So that is a whole difference, big huge difference. So now you can see I'm already subscribed to Ahrefs. So now it expires in 1 day, so we will simply click here to start our keyword research process. So when we come to this tool, we go to Site Explorer. Yeah, this is Site Explorer, and then I will put any forum. So in this case I will try Quora.com. We want to get our keywords from the forum because that is where your readers, those are the things that your readers want to see, that your readers are asking the questions they want answers to. So that is where we are going to get our keywords. So now when you click Quora.com under Site Explorer, it will bring you to this page. So because we want keywords, you'll go to organic keywords. So we have clicked organic keywords, and you have been brought to this particular page. Oh, it is so slow, my God. So now, guys, now this is it. You are supposed to now choose the variables that you want. The most important one is this keyword difficulty. Normally I just choose 0 to 2. I don't want anything past 2. Traffic, definitely you want something that will also bring you traffic. So I usually just start from 50 to infinity. Did I choose this? Okay, apply. And then I come to volume, search volume again. Usually I just put 100. And then position. I also want something that is on page 1 of Google. So usually I just choose from 1 to 3, and then apply. And then definitely you'll come and put your keyword here, whatever thing that you are interested in. So for example, I'll choose pregnancy as a category because we are looking for keywords to write about pregnancy. And then I will click go, show results. And here we are, guys. These are our possible keywords. So now, guys, you can see these are our keywords, but of course you'll have to sift through. Not everything is worth writing about. Like I don't even know what CAC cold pregnancy is, but now we have rubbing pre-cum course pregnancy. You see, volume is 600, which is very good. Keyword difficulty 0, which is very good. Traffic 208, which is also very good, and it's at position 1. So now this is a keyword that you can actually target. So that is number 1. At least we have gotten one keyword. Hot wife pregnancy. Paranoid about pregnancy on the pill. This is another keyword that you can target. Pregnancy stretch mark tattoo cover up. This is also another good keyword. How long can you hide a pregnancy? This is another very, very good keyword. So this is how you get your keywords, guys. Yeah, so let's say, for example, we have concluded that we are going to write about rubbing pre-cum cause pregnancy. So when we go to Google, let's go to Google. So that is going to be our primary keyword, like what we are going to target throughout the article. Rubbing pre-cum cause pregnancy. So when we search it on Google, now we will get of course results. You can come and read rubbing cause pregnancy. Questions answered. I rubbed my penis on my girlfriend's vagina. I didn't put it inside. Okay, so now you'll read these things and get an idea of what you can write about. But now another thing that I wanted to show you guys is this side. Keywords everywhere is another tool, but now it is an Chrome extension that you can simply come here and under Google Apps and then add it. So now I have added it here, and the good thing about it is that it is free. So now when I search anything, it will always give me related keywords. I hope you can see them clearly. How often can pre-cum cause pregnancy? Can you get pregnant without sperm being released? Now these are the things that are that you can use in your content, either as subheadings, H2s, or even just other keywords to put in within the content. So this is what I usually do, guys. So after getting the keyword, the primary keyword, I come here and get secondary keywords from this keyword everywhere Chrome extension. So you see, there are so many of those words. Another way that I find other keywords or H2s in my content is under related searches. How often can pre-cum cause pregnancy? So you can also come here and find related keywords, find your H2s. So this is so we have keywords everywhere, this tool. We also have related searches, and we also have people also ask. This is also another good place to find ideas for your H2s. Yeah, I think that's basically it on how I search for my keywords. So guys, that's all about how I look for my keywords. You can see it's a simple, non-complicated procedure, by the way. So now what is remaining after you have gotten keywords, you can look for 2010, go to different forums, go to Reddit, go to Quora, check your competitors' website and see what you can rank for. And then another thing, now that is just one category. Let's say, for example, my blog is about parenting, and I have looked for a keyword in pregnancy. You can also check ones for breastfeeding, sleep training, like, because your blog will not just have one category, it will have several categories in that particular niche. So guys, I hope you have learned something from this video. If you have, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe, click the notification bell, and let's meet in the next video where we will discuss the different ways to get ideas for your blog. I know it can be hard finding something to write about every other time, because can you imagine you're supposed to write like 100 posts in just one blog. Yeah, so it can be hard to get those ideas to write about, and I will help you choose them because I am here to do that. I'm here to walk the journey with you as I also learn something, and as I also continue building my blog. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.